Tell me, would there be anyone who has seen a session on the power of suggestion or the power of concentration? Something on the lines of ESP or mind to mind communication? On my panel, we have, as I said, three celebrities. The very first person I wish to invite is a very dear friend, a world famous personality, a world famous name which every Indian across the globe knows, and a person whom every woman would like to befriend. Yes, we have Sanjeev Kapoor.
Thank you
I
very
said,
much.
yeah, Sanjeev, I said that you are a person whom every woman would like to get to know, and there I can see that wife of yours smiling.
Yes,
Alena, okay,
yes.
so you are the lucky one who managed to grab, the early bird who caught the fish.
Absolutely.
Okay, okay. Everybody knows Sanjeev is a household name, but there may be some who don't know because Sanjeev normally does not drum it up. Sanjeev is the owner, managing director, and the founder of a very well-known channel called Food Food. He is also the owner and founder of the Yellow Chili chain of restaurants all across the globe. And you must have heard of Wonder Chef, the product, right? The kitchen products. Again, that is also owned by Sanjeev Kapoor. Sanjeev, how do you manage to find the time for all that and also be on my session here? Chalo. I'm looking at you sharing a secret which you don't mind sharing.
Oh my God. Amazing.
Can you see it clearly?
Yes. Fantastic. Very good. Very impressive.
Thank you very much.
Lovely.
Our next participant is also very interesting, and the experience should be even better. And I think you thought that this is more important than even the IPL. Sanjeev, thank
Very
you so
good.
much.
Very impressed. What is
Thank you,
IPL
sir.
in front of this? What is IPL? IPL is nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah. IPL is nothing.
Sure.
Over the years, I've stopped figuring out how Deepak does it. I just sit back and relax, and every time, the pleasure is just, more and more. I mean, outstanding Deepak, as always.
Brilliant.
Yeah, there. We are the villain of all good times. Friends, let me introduce you to another dear friend of ours, Ashish Vidyarthi, who is also a member of the CEO Forum. Sanjeev Kapoor is also a member of the CEO Forum. Ashish Vidyarthi is another person whom one doesn't need to introduce. He's very well known in Bollywood, Tollywood, Sandalwood, and every wood, in fact, also the corporate wood. And of late, he's invited as an interesting speaker among corporates also. Right, Ashish?
But I'm right now spellbound. What you did.
No. I'm trying to do something even more difficult than that because normally it's all based on my confidence level. If I feel better, then I go to the next level. And Sanjeev and his wife were very nice, very cooperative. So, Ashish,
So I have to first tell people that, you asked me to think of that person. You have no idea about that person. And this person that I have thought of. So I have got that person's name here.
but would you believe that I would have written the name in this? Tell me.
It's very difficult for me to believe.
Watch.
This is unbelievable. When you told me that don't spell it out with your lip, and you kept saying throw it, I had a lot of doubt that how will Deepak get it. Deepak, you've blown me here. You've completely blown me. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I'm blown. That's it.
So thank you so much, Ashish, for having participated.
Wow.
After this event, please stay back. We're going to have a CEO Forum fellowship meeting with a small drink in our hands.
Yes, I'll have a drink. I'll need a drink.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Deepak. I need to say this is Parag here. Parag Parans completely blows my mind off. It is a song, but I didn't know that there is a name by Chitwan. And there will be a girl in this world who has a name called Chitwan here. For God's sake, can you recognize that? This is spooky.
If I may, I mean, like, it's like a,
Yes, Ashish.
like spooked beyond words I am. Having said that, I mean, would love to listen from the master. What is it? How did you do it? Wow, maza aa gaya, Deepak.
Third celebrity participant, and that is going to be one of my dearest friends again, Parvez Damania.
Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you, Parvez. And were you watching?
Of course I was watching, absolutely. I don't understand this third celebrity. The first two are real celebrities. This guy is just your friend, that's all, nothing more.
No, you are also a very well-known name, Parvez.
I'm just your friend.
Any man who has the guts to start an airline in a country like this, you know, so yes, he's
He's either very intelligent or very stupid. I'm the second part.
No, Parvez, a lot of people know you. Almost everyone knows you. We just need to keep on record that you are the same Parvez Damania who started the airline, and we have enough evidence from stalwarts like Vijay Mallya and Naresh Goyal, who both also proved that running an airline is an almost impossible business.
No,
in this
it's
country.
not impossible, but it's difficult.
Very difficult. Also, Parvez is a well-known industrialist. He has his fingers in every pie. Parvez, a lot of things are into play when I do a session. It is a gut feel, it's an intuition.
I was very, very impressed with what you did before. So I'm now worried what is my question going to be. Ashish took the difficult one, so that's good.
What I'm going to do with you is something that will substantiate what I'm doing.
I'm sure whatever you do is going to be great. I have no doubt about it.
It's going to be an answer to ESP.
Great. I'm impressed already.
Yeah, thank you. We are going to conduct an experiment. We were talking of intuition. Check it.
Very impressed. Very, very, very impressed. I don't know how you did it.
I had,
But you got it right, absolutely.
Parvez, that's why I picked on you. It was my intuition that you will do this correctly.
Yeah,
You know?
I'm impressed. I'm very impressed.
With that, thank you guys. For
Thank
my
you, Deepak.
corporate sessions, I've got 2 other presentations which are a lot more challenging. But this being a session just for friends and
Thank
for
you,
our CEO
Deepak.
Forum members, thank you so much for having joined me. I
Thank you,
I've-
Deepak.
I've
Thank you for
overshot my
inviting me. I
time.
was hugely impressed. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Ganesh Naik.
Yeah, I think all of us in the CEO Forum have stopped being surprised, because this is not the first time we are seeing our dear friend Deepak Rao in action. So now nothing surprises us or me, at least from DR anymore.
I'm like a child when I see, I literally shake with excitement whenever I see.
Amazing.
Superb,
Thank you.
superb,
For attending.
We can only clap. He always leaves us dumbfounded. Absolutely.